What's up, guys? So I'm vlogging today because I'm going back to school. I'm going back to school sooner than expected because oh my gosh, this lighting. The lighting's better right here. There's a big snowstorm coming, so I have to like hurry up and pack all my stuff, which is already done. I'm taking all of that to school with me and more, plus my piano in the back. Yeah, I'm going back to school early. And I'm kind of excited, but then I'm kind of not because I like being home because I just don't like the whole like learning aspect of school. Well, I kind of do that, I kind of don't. I just don't like waking up early in the morning. But all my classes start at like 9 this semester or 9:30, but they're like super long because I'm doing opera workshop and then I'm in choir, so that's like basically my entire schedule. A lot of singing and voice lessons. So yeah, I am just packing up everything now and about to put my stuff in the car so I can head back to school. By the time you guys see this, I will probably already be on campus. So yeah, it's nice being home for a little bit. I do like my personal space. So as soon as I get like a job and I can pay bills and all that stuff, I will move out because I don't like staying home necessarily. So, and I gotta do my hair because it's looking crazy. I just have it in a ponytail with 2 flat twists in the front. Plus, you know, go back to school, gotta look great, guys. This is my room. It's all clear. It is all empty. No more suitcases and totes and stuff. So I'm gonna be heading back to school now. On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. So, yeah, everything. Ooh, I think I'm going to take my tripod because I don't want to keep asking my roommate to use hers, so I'm just going to take my tripod so I can still film some videos if I have time. I don't know. I don't really, should I bring this? Should I not bring it? It's not good lighting right there. I guess I should. I'm just going to bring it. There's no shame. I got room in my closet. So, yeah. Going back to school now, so I'll just check back in with you guys when I'm literally on the road. So
my mama don't like you and she likes everyone, and I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much.
So I'm back, guys. I'm back in my dorm. Yeah, I fell asleep. Oh my gosh. I fell asleep on the car ride here, so my hair is looking crazy, I'm looking crazy, and basically I'm unpacking all of my stuff now. Like, this is how much I have to do, and then I have like my tote of things. So this should be like really fun. I think it should be great too. And I'm hungry. My mom did not feed me before she dropped me off at school. My mom did not feed me before she dropped me off at school, so I'm like starving. And I'm just super hungry. And I just dropped my phone, so I'm just gonna speed things up a bit. So I gotta see if I can find 16 hangers to hang up that pile of clothes. I'm gonna come back because this is a really long clip. But yeah, I'm not really doing anything. I'm gonna watch some Netflix, and that's really it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.